Here we have a 21 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the Ford Raptor style front grille. We do have the LED headlights, the front lower nudge bar. You'll also find the black exterior paintwork, got the colour coded wide arches, 20-inch Wolf Race alloy wheels, got the side steps as well running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Privacy glass for the rear passengers, got the window deflectors as well. Rear canopy cover at the back, got the tinted tail lights, tow bar at the rear. There's a look at that rear end. You'll also notice we do have the roof rails up top. If we have a look inside of the interior, you'll find leather seats, got the foldable armrests and fixed ISO points. We also have electric windows on the doors. Same leather seats for the front with the Wildtrak logo on each one. Both front seats can be heated. Driver's seat is electrically adjustable. So taking a seat inside, you'll find digital screens either side of the dashboard. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel. You can see the volume buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity. You'll also find the lane assist on that stalk there. Dashboard is free from any warning. We do have the cruise control and speedometer on the right. Main infotainment screen just here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. We also have plenty of other features on here. If we go on to the main menu, you'll find the other options. So you can see you've got the audio options. We have the mobile apps, phone connectivity. Going on to climate control, you can see got the ice cold air conditioning along with the dual zone climate control for the front. Further features here. If we go onto the settings, you'll also find ambient lighting. Further down, you'll find the physical buttons for the climate control, heated seats either side, ice cold air conditioning. We also have the heated windscreen as well. You'll then find a range of buttons down here. We have the automatic gearbox and the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle is available for next day delivery. Thank you for watching.